Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your device from the application on your iPhone. So actually the thing is, if you here though have the application called JBL Partybox installed, we can't delete the product from here because it's in real time and this connection is made in real time, and the settings are stored on the device based on the device we're connected to. Not, it's not like that. We do have saved the settings on the device, here the speaker, and we need to change them using the app. It's in real time, and the settings are stored on the device here. And for example, Android or iPhone. So we can't perform the forgetting process straight from here. To forget the device from application, we need to just only either uninstall the application because we won't have the settings then, or just go to the settings of our iPhone, tap Bluetooth, tap this info icon near our device, tap forget this device, and confirm the forgetting process by tapping forget device. And after this process is done, you won't have the connection at all in your app. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.